Okay, so doing a parent letter into Microsoft Excel, we're going to add a new sheet. I want to get my school logo, so I just came over here to Google, type Bennett High School, and I'm going to take this image right here, right click, copy image, come right back over and Control V. Okay, so if you have these little white circles, that means you can move it all over wherever you want to. So let's just leave that in the corner. I'm going to actually start typing my school's header right here. Okay, so once I have that in place, I'm going to do my merging. So I'm going to go all the way over to here, and I'm going to merge it, and then I want it to merge left. Okay, don't need to merge that. I'm going to merge these two. Stay left. There we go. Okay, so now we are going to put a date right here. And then we will put in our date. Okay, so when you put a date in, you're going to make sure that you're on the Home tab. You're going to go and do short date, double click, pick your date, and then there's your calendar. So then down here, we're going to do this, and then we're going to put in our drop-down menu. Okay, so I want to have my drop-down menu right there. So I'm going to go to data validation, and it's going to be from a list because my list is actually right here. So I'm just going to select a bunch of kids' names right here. And I'm going to hit apply. Okay, so now you can see that I'm going to need a lot more room. So if I go to pick one of these kids, let's just say that one. I don't really have everything where I want it, so I'm just going to move this a little bit right here, a little bit more. All right. And let's make sure that that is merged and left. Okay. So now I'm going to start writing the body of my letter. Okay, so I kind of want you to see what happened. I started typing and I had this kind of merged. So let's just unmerge it. See what happens? Ugh, terrible. So I want to kind of show you what it looks like when I'm going to go to print it. So let's go to File and Print. And make sure you change it to Portrait. And I don't like it the way it is. Okay, so I'm going to kind of move things around a bit. So I'm going to take this and shrink this guy up a bit. And I'm going to move this in. And then now right here, I'm just going to, let's go to there. Then I'm going to wrap it and I'm going to merge it. And this thing here, it likes to move everything all over. So then you're just going to align it left, and I need to align it to the top. And see it. Now it just made like a whole bunch of space here that I don't need. So we're just going to suck it up a little bit. Okay. So then I'm going to go on to do my next couple of paragraphs in the same fashion. Okay, so I just typed, so we're going to start fixing again. So I'm going to merge all the way over to here, merge, wrap, left, and up. So I don't have exactly what I want, so now I got to move this guy open a little bit. Perfect. Okay, so do the same event here, merge, wrap, over here left, top, and pop it open. There we go, it's fine with me. Do this right here, merge, wrap, fix, also pop that one open a little bit too. Okay, so now we're going to sign off on the letter. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little merge right there. Left. Same thing, merge. It constantly likes to go in the center. Not sure why. Okay, so it's pretty much all set. And just take one more look, print. There we go. So I'm fine with that. Okay, so now what you want to do is, so this is to Nicole, right? So you want to make these for each one of your kids. So you're going to rename this one right here, Nicole. All right, and then it's time for another one. Well, actually, what we're going to do now is take off these ugly grid lines. And how we're going to take off these ugly grid lines is very simple. We're just going to go to View and uncheck the grid lines, and then here they are. So now we're going to go and make our copy. So right click, duplicate. Now this is, we're not going to call it Nicole, obviously. We will pick another kid, and we'll do Joseph, right? Rename Joseph. All right, and that's what you're going to keep doing until all your kids are done. Now, when it comes time to print, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to File, you're going to go to Print, and you are going to be printing the entire workbook. But I understand you do not want the direction sheet. I get it. So you're going to be saying, hey, I'd like to print from page 2 to page, in this case, it would be page 3, right? So that's what you would tell it. So I'm going to go print, and this would not be custom, pages 2 to 3. And remember, do this single-sided, like don't do a double-sided, obviously. And then you just hit print, and then you're all set.